Can they win this event? All the fans, players and staff know what the team have to achieve.
A lot of talk before the match about how these two will line up. Let's see what the managers have gone with.
This then, how the home team is lining up.
And here is the away team formation.
A cheer goes up as we start the match. Koundé with a tackle.
Vardy on the ball.
A great move, he's clean through. Surely a goal is coming.
Oh, so close there.
Let's look at this attempt again. No wonder the players thought it was going in. Headed on. A golden chance. Alisson, fantastic stop. He reacted so quickly there. No one thought the keeper would make that stop. Oh, he heads it. He's won the ball back. He's speeding ahead. Rudiger with a challenge. He's moving fast with the ball. Nuri wins the ball. He comes forward with the ball. He's broken through. He's in the clear and going for goal. It's Cristiano Ronaldo. Well, that wasn't in the script. The underdogs are ahead. The replay will give us a closer look. Vinicius Jr. He's thrown it long.
Oh, this is crisp passing.
That tackle was badly timed. He mistimed the challenge. A definite foul. Yamal shoots. Alisson, fantastic stop.
Is this a goal?
It didn't trouble the keeper. A precise pass. Won the ball.
Oh, well intercepted.
Now he's played it long.
Mbappe.
Now it's Vinicius.
Is this the moment? This is Courtois with a save.
Can anyone get on the end of this one? Gets in the way of the header. He's miles offside. It's 1-0, but what will the winning side do in the second half? Attempt to increase their lead or try to protect it?
One team takes a narrow 1-0 lead into the second half.
A long distance pass. Oh, what a pass. He's running at the opposition.
Surely now.
A no-nonsense challenge. What a chance!
Oh, how unlucky.
And the manager's making a change here. The manager is switching things up. They're winning, but he doesn't want the team to lose momentum. They're bringing on 4 subs all at the same time. Uses his head. He's going for goal. The defenders are nowhere near him. It's Cristiano Ronaldo. A goal from the substitute. Bringing him on was surely the right decision. Robertson. Good, clean challenge. He's racing ahead with the ball. He's up to full speed now. Is this a goal?
He did well to win the ball back.
He clears the ball to safety. That's a rash challenge there.
That one looked like it hurt. Did he get the ball, though?
My guess is this game has more goals, and we may see one very soon.
Terrific stop by Courtois.
The fans are on their feet. He gets the goal.
The manager will really be pleased with his efforts for the goal. Let's hope for more of the same.
Oh, an accomplished finish. He showed everyone how it's done.
Well, they're really pushing for an equaliser, and there's not much time left.
Nice pass. Oh, confident defending.
Courtois has got it now.
Helps it on. The defender regains possession, and now they're going to try and break. And there's the full-time whistle. An extraordinary game. It's all over. He's been outstanding. To no one's surprise, he's been named as the player of the match.